So we're gonna be thug life and we're gonna change it up. Boom. Popo running these streets. There's a nice little restaurant back here. What is it called? I can't remember what it's called now. I think it's on this street if I'm not mistaken. Smoky Gringos, that's it. Alright, finally done with that photo session. Holy shnikes, fam. I hope the pictures turns out good. I just use my phone, so I don't have any big cameras to tote around with me to take pictures, so been using my phone. Should be okay. Pretty high-tech phone nowadays with very good cameras considering for just a phone. So I think this is I think this is one of the airports over here, one of the smaller airports. Never been back here though. I wonder what is back here. Yep, I don't know what's back here, so I'm gonna turn around before security gets called on me, because I don't know what is back here. Got that Publix up fast. some more photo shoots are done, and I have just rediscovered something that makes it truly awesome. I forgot completely that my Hero 10 and this silly app that they have, it pairs up and I can control the GoPro and I can use it from my phone. Oh, have mercy on my soul. I forgot all about that. That was again a glorious discovery, because now I can actually just log on with my phone while I'm driving, and I can actually see what I'm recording and I can actually switch to take pictures at any point in time that I feel like it. Now, I get it, it's probably not gonna be the best, okay? You know what I mean? It's not gonna be like, woo, you know what I mean? But the luxury of having it and knowing that I can do it. Now, I'm gonna try it. This is not advised, okay? Fam, this is not an advisable thing, but I'm gonna try it. But I'm gonna cut y'all away because y'all can't see my pattern, fam. Oh, I cannot see it. That's right, this app will not let me see what I'm recording while I'm recording. Why GoPro? Why? I forgot they did mention that. See, I can't see anything. Why GoPro? Why? Please just make it work. Just make it work. But as you can see, it is connected. You can see that I'm recording, and it is recording. I just can't see the preview. I was hoping. But again, back to my original, is that I rediscovered that my app can control the GoPro. So that's a beautiful thing, because then now I can, like I said, I can get off the bike and I can actually turn the camera on, or put it on my little stand here and face it towards me, and I can take pictures and stuff of that nature, which is really cool. So I'm here for that. Alright, let's go have some fun. Fun's been stopped. It up, gonna have some fun again. As always, like, subscribe, comment, share, all the good stuff. We appreciate you guys. As always, Beyonce, Yento. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.